Children, up till now you have seen that what do you mean by the term allegory. In this also you can see the visualizing the nation. The nations are then portrayed through an abstract idea of a female figure that is known as the allegory of nation. When an abstract idea is expressed through a person or thing, that is known as allegory. You can see the allegory of France is Marianne, and the allegory of Germany is Germania. Regarding the allegory of France, we have discussed. Now we have to see allegory of Germania. See children, this is allegory of Germania. There are different pictures regarding Germania. All these are the symbols of Germany. Germania symbolizing the German nation. As in our country, Bharat Mata is a symbolic form of our country. The same way Germania is symbolizing the German nation. Now, one question of 1 mark, objective question generally it comes. There are different, in your book you can turn to page number 24. If you are having your books, there are meanings of the symbols. Different attributes are there and its significance is there. In this figure, you can see, if you can see the book clearly in page number 23, or in this figure also, the first figure you can see there are different attributes, and now we are going to take it one by one, and you need to understand it because this is 1 mark question. Sometimes or most of the times it is asked in exams. Breastplate with eagle, that is a symbol of the German Empire or strength. It can be given to you in your exam also. ऐसे ये बना हुआ होगा और आपको बताना होगा ये क्या symbol है. तो you should know that this is a breastplate of eagle, symbol of the German Empire, that is strength. Similarly, the Germania became the allegory of the German nation. Now, meaning of symbols: broken chains, being freed. In class 9th also you have studied in French Revolution chapter, broken chain, that is being freed. That is a symbol of getting freedom. Then crown of oak leaves, children, this is very, sometimes it is asked in exams. Crown of oak leaves, these are the oak leaves, that is heroism. It is a symbol of heroism. Sword is means readiness to fight. Sword is a symbol of readiness to fight. Then black, red and gold tricolor flag. But once at the same time you just watch this Germania figure and this symbols also, then it will be easy for you to understand. Black, red and gold tricolor flag of the liberal nationalists in 1848. 1848. What happened in 1848? What happened in 1848? Frankfurt Parliament. Olive branch around the sword, willingness to make peace. That is, there is one olive branch around the sword. That means we are ready to fight. First of all, we are ready to fight. But we will also like to make peace also. We are ready, we are willing to make peace also at the same time. So both options are there. If you are going to fight with us, we are ready for fight. If you are going to make peace, then also we are ready. So olive branch around the sword means willingness to make peace. Rays of rising sun. In your book Germania, you can see behind that figure rays of rising sun. That is the beginning of a new era. So children, these symbols are often asked in exams, which is very significant.